Most people get this wrong. They think all savings banks are the same. But Zenith Savings Bank in 2026 is designed to help your money grow smarter, not just sit idle. With competitive interest rates, automated savings tools, and intuitive mobile features, it stands out from traditional banking options. Zenith offers checking and savings accounts with minimal fees and strong APYs that can help your money grow steadily. One of the biggest advantages is its automatic savings feature. You can set financial goals like an emergency fund, vacation, or even a home down payment, and the app will automatically transfer funds into these accounts based on your income and spending habits. Even small contributions, consistently applied, can turn into significant savings over time. The app also provides spending insights and predictive alerts. It tracks upcoming bills, recurring subscriptions, and daily spending, notifying you if there's a risk of overdraft or overspending. This helps prevent hidden fees and keeps your finances on track. The dashboard shows a visual breakdown of your income, expenses, and progress toward each goal, making financial management simple for beginners and pros alike. Security is another highlight. Zenith Savings Bank uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud detection to protect your accounts. All funds are FDIC insured, and customer support is available via phone, chat, or email if you need help. The only limitation? Zenith focuses primarily on savings and basic banking. It doesn't offer investment accounts or advanced wealth management. But if your goal is automated saving, smarter money management, and a user-friendly experience, Zenith Savings Bank delivers. So, is Zenith Savings Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone who wants a modern, secure, and proactive way to save and grow their money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best tools to optimize your finances.